Hi, Delilah. It's Mr. O. I hope that you're having a fantastic day so far, and I'm glad that you joined me so that way we can read this story together. And this story, I think you can read it here too, is called, that's right, The Dog Show. And The Dog Show is written by Anne Harth. Let's get started. Ready, Pip? Abe brushed his dog's black, curly hair. Today is the city dog show. He clipped a leash to Pip's collar. There's Abe and here's Pip. Abe and Pip walked to the park where they saw many dogs and their owners. They saw a girl with straight blonde hair. Her dog's fur was straight and blonde too. Right here. They saw a boy with brown, wavy hair. His dog's fur was brown and wavy too. They saw a woman with red frizzy hair. Her dog's fur was red and frizzy too. Right here and right here. Isn't that funny that the humans look like their dogs? Hi, Abe, Rudy said as she walked toward Abe and Pip. She bent down to pat Pip. Hi, Rudy. Have you noticed anything strange? He pointed at a man with short, stiff hair. His dog's hair was short and stiff, too. Rudy looked. She shrugged. I don't think so, she said. What's strange? Just then, a little dog walked by all alone. He had long, curly brown ears with blue ribbons tied on. They look like pigtails, Rudy laughed. Do you see that dog, Delilah? Yeah, right here. A girl ran over to Abe and Rudy. She had long, curly pigtails with blue ribbons. She looked worried. Have you seen my dog? She asked. I wonder if that was her dog. Pip pointed at the little dog with blue bows. He's over there. Thank you. The girl ran after her dog. Now do you see it? Abe asked Rudy. See what? Rudy said. The dogs have the same hair as their owners. Rudy looked at Abe. She looked down at Pip. You're right, she said. She pulled Abe and Pip over to a store window. Look! Abe looked at their reflection in the glass. Pip looked great. Her black curly hair was shiny. He looked down at his own hair and laughed. His black curly hair was shiny too. See, he said, the dogs do have the same hair as their owners. Oh, how funny that is. So, Delilah, I was hoping you could help me answer these comprehension questions about the story The Dog Show. Do you remember what color hair does Abe have? That's right, he has short, black, curly hair. Do you remember where does the story take place? Where's the location? It looks like it takes place in a park. Do you remember what is Abe's dog's name? That's right, it's Pip. Well, Delilah, I hope you had enjoyed this story, and I'm looking forward to reading more stories with you in the future. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk very soon. Okay, bye, Delilah.